Today we are making sweet corn chaat, and we prepare all the ingredients which we will use in the recipe. First of all, boil some sweet corns, chopped onion,
tomatoes,
chopped tomatoes, and chopped cucumber.
chop masala,
मसाला चॉप नहीं होता, ये है हमारे पास चाट मसाला. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सोमिल, टेक दिस स्वीट कॉर्न एंड पुट दिस स्वीट कॉर्न इन अ बाउल with big spoon. Wow, very good. Okay, now
तो थोड़े से अंदर आते तो ऐसे निकल जाते हैं.
हाँ, सारे निकाल लीजिए. वेरी गुड. now
ये सारे रख दो.
now put some, take your spoon, put these onions in the sweet corn, start mixing, put this back, put the bowl, then put some chopped tomatoes in the bowl,
Okay.
very good, and put some cucumber. Mix all these things slowly. Don't touch. No, like this. Slowly. May I help you, Soman?
Yes.
नीचे.
Okay.
Yes. Take some chaat masala, Somil. Some chaat masala. You sprinkle some chaat masala on this. Yes. Something. Very good. Somil loves sweet corn, so we have to decide to make a chaat. No, don't put all this. A little bit. Very good. No, bas. Finally.
थोड़ी हमें चाट मसाला नहीं डालना चाहिए क्योंकि फिर ये खराब हो जाता है.
सोमिल को ज़्यादा तीखा पसंद नहीं है, तो वो जो है ज़्यादा चाट मसाला प्रेफर नहीं करता है. तो सोमिल, स्टार्ट मिक्सिंग.
Okay.
टेक small spoon also.
Okay.
कलरफुल चाट. हाँ,
Yes.
गिरने नहीं देना है. In this recipe, your child become self-confident about mixing and
हम दोनों एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं.
okay. Finally, you mix all these things. Let me check.
Okay. ऐसे करना है.
Somil doesn't like lemon, so I don't put lemon. If you want to put some lemon juice, you can add on a little bit. You can serve this to for serving. You can use big spoon like this. I help him in the serving. Don't use. Wait, Somil, mama help you. Oh, he wants to do it himself. Okay,
मम्मा जी अब ये जो यहाँ पे अटक रहे हैं ना, अब वो कर दो, सर मैं कर दूँ.
बस. Finally. Okay. And next bowl, we put next bowl also. हाथ से टच नहीं करना, खाना है ना. Don't touch.
हम दोनों खाते शेयरिंग करके.
Sharing is caring.
Yes. शेयरिंग करना अच्छी बात.
And fruit chaat is
जब मैं छोटा था
so
ना,
healthy.
मैं स्कूल में जाता था, मैं सबसे शेयरिंग करता था.
Yes. Okay, finally. You have prepared for 3. Very good. Now look at this. Oh my god, it's looking yummy. Somil, you done a great job. Very good.
जो पराठे नहीं नहीं साइड रख दो.
Very good.
वो खा के तोड़ दे दोगे.
You done a great job. Finally, Somil make the chaat and he is ready to serve. Start. Oh my god. कैसी लग रही है? Yummy. You like? Actually, he doesn't like all the masalas and salt extra. He put some chaat masala and finally he done it. Thank you so much. If you
Thank you, Mama.
like,
आप भी खाओ.
आप भी खाओ और आप भी बनाओ. So मिले start eating. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको पसंद आए तो हमें लाइक करें. थैंक यू.